When people think of Northern California, I think they think of the Silicon Valley, and the North State's much different. So many of the people who work here are tradespeople and laborers, and they support our manufacturing industry.
One manufacturing employee in Butte County is worth $616,000 to that community, as compared to a retail job of $129,000. Manufacturing outpaces construction, education, all those sectors. It makes a community viable.
And GMI, the Grow Manufacturing Initiative, is at the center, connecting manufacturers with one another, education, the workforce, and our community.
We collaborate on a monthly basis and talk about best practices.
We collaborate with a lot of manufacturers. We see each other a lot.
The more you get to know your neighbors or get to know other manufacturers, you get to tap into not only the manufacturing resource, but some of the processes, tooling, education, and employment that you would not normally be aware of.
That collaboration extends to where it is needed most, in training our future workforce.
What can we do to better encourage our education community to get that skilled workforce we need for manufacturing?
A hallmark of GMI's involvement is the Grow Manufacturing Expo.
Well, we have to have a skilled workforce, and the only way to do that is to promote it.
Providing an opportunity for students to see what's available out there.
There's jobs in food manufacturing. Manufacturing people think of welding or machining. This is more consumable commodity based, so I don't know if a lot of people know where some of these food products come from.
This actually says this is a product that is physically made in this region, in this area, and you can have a job here.
These kids know technology. What we want to encourage education to do is start teaching it.
Number one need in manufacturers is having workers with the relevant job skills and be able to find them locally. By bringing manufacturers together and really honing in on what specific job skills they need, we can provide one specific curriculum or list of job skills to educators, and that makes educators' jobs easier because then they can focus on the curriculum to address those needs.
Working with Grow Manufacturing and all the manufacturers in the valley here, what's great about education is we know how to teach, but we get their input on what we need to teach so that that workforce is hitting the ground when they apply for a job at any manufacturer around here.
GMI's priority is its members, and everything is driven by the manufacturers themselves.
The agenda is totally driven by manufacturers, so educators and workforce listen to what their needs are and then try to make sure that what we're offering is relevant to them.
It's a very versatile and stable career path.
People are now understanding how essential manufacturers are, and it speaks to the vibrancy of the local economy when we have a strong manufacturing sector that's providing these essential services.
The future of manufacturing in the North State depends on a strong community, and GMI will continue to support industry and live up to its name, working to grow manufacturing by building up a future workforce and fostering collaboration. Together, we are stronger.